it's Amanda, and I'm looking forward to showing you my coconut macaroon recipe. You guys know how much I love chocolate, and coconut is second in line, sometimes even first. And this recipe is easy AF. Okay, as you know, I have a sweet tooth, and coconut macaroons is one of my favorite treats. Chock full of coconut and really simple to make. So we start out by whisking some egg whites. I've already separated the eggs. There's 2 egg whites here. We want this to be white and glossy. I'll show you. I have some shredded coconut. This is already sweetened. A little bit of salt, vanilla, sweetened condensed milk. Turn up that sweetness level. And that's it. So here we go. We're going to whisk these whites. You can do it by hand, you can do it in a beater, you can do it with a hand beater. But this is really important just to get some air into them, and this is the glue that holds the coconut macaroons together. So I'm just going to show you, and I'm going to cheat a little, put some of the salt right in there. You know we love salty and sweet. And you'll see these are already starting to get bubbly. That's the first step, is bubbles, and then use some muscle. We need a workout. Everybody's been inside lately. Use a really nice sized balloon whisk to get air. And that's just gonna make these nice and fluffy and separate the coconut. So we're getting already changing color, getting nice and white and frothy, and we just want it to be a little bit glossy. You'll see as soon as it gets glossy, it's kind of shiny. Check it out. Here it comes. Put a little bit of extra white in here so I can have some lift. I may not use it all. And this recipe is so simple, you can really switch it up. You can put chocolate chips inside of here, or when they're done, you can dip them in chocolate. Okay, so we're white, we're fluffy, we got some air, and I'm starting to see some shine. All right, we've doubled in volume. We don't have to get to stiff peaks or anything like that. It's just gonna look nice, fluffy, white, and shiny. And that's it. Now all we have to do is combine everything. So the coconut, it's about 2 cups going right into there. God, I love coconut. A little bit of vanilla extract. Sure, you can measure, but I always think the top is about a teaspoon. I'm an impatient baker, so this is the way I bake. A pinch of salt, and then you're gonna go ahead and put that sweetened condensed milk. What I wanna do is combine those heavier ingredients first, and then the egg whites go in, because we took a little bit of effort to whip them up. We don't wanna kill all the air and release all the air that we put in there already. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the egg white. Now, like I said earlier, I put in some extra egg whites, so I'm gonna just add almost all of it, and then I'm just gonna fold. Fold it, mix it, fold it, and mix it. That's it. That's all that's in this recipe. I know you've seen coconut macaroons in bakeries, in grocery stores. You know, they're really popular around the Jewish holidays, and they're just so satisfying. I love their texture. And of course, their flavor is all about the coconut. That's it. So we have our oven at 375 degrees. What you want is a crispy outside and a creamy, smooth, coconutty inside. I've already buttered or sprayed my pan because we really don't want them to stick. There's a lot of sugar in here and we don't want them to stick. Now, you can use a spoon, 2 spoons, but I like to get my hands on here. My hands are clean. I wash my hands. And just dollop them onto the tray. They really don't spread that much. So just put a few down. Put them about 1 inch apart. I like to stack them. I like to have a tall macaroon. And that's it. They're gonna cook in the oven. They're gonna get golden. And one thing about halfway through, so you're gonna cook them for about 20 minutes. Halfway through, you're just gonna turn the tray. You'll see. I mean, your oven's different than mine. My oven's different than yours. The back of the oven's sometimes hotter than the front. It all depends. You know your oven well. We've all been baking a lot lately, and we've learned a lot more about our oven temperatures in the last couple of weeks. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna keep going, put them in the oven, and then we'll see the finished product. See you in a couple of minutes. Look at these. They're perfection. Golden brown on the outside, creamy coconutty on the inside. They just look so good. And if you could smell this tropical aroma, and that's it, they're done. You're gonna take them off the tray. You should have greased this tray or sprayed it really well because these will stick if you haven't. Even if you have, apparently they're a little sticky. And then just get them ready to serve. I even eat them warm, but you should cool them down. Ooh, yum. And I should be handling this tray with the towel. And for a little extra treat, did you really think I was gonna go through this without dipping these in chocolate? I had to do it, I'm sorry. Take some melted chocolate, simply melt it in the microwave. That's where I melt my chocolate. I like to dip half of that coconut macaroon in chocolate, maybe even more than half. Let that chocolate drip off and chill. These are my favorite. It's coconutty, it's crunchy, it's creamy, and it's easy AF. Oh my God. So good.